guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I'm going to show you how to create this Maleficent look as the third part of our 13 Days of Halloween series. So let's jump right into it. I'm using a light green water activated face paint to entirely cover my face, neck, and upper body. After I place it down with my brush, I am going in with a sponge and just further pressing and blending it into my skin. Once I have all my paint down, I'm then using this final coat setting spray, and I'm spraying this all over everything we just painted. Because of the clothes I'm going to be wearing, I didn't want it to get all over the outfit, so this helps make it less transferable and waterproof as well. We're then going to be using a brow pomade to go ahead and fill in our brows. After that, I'm priming my eyelids and then using a purple eyeshadow, placing this in the crease, blending it out, putting it on the bottom lid as well. And then I'm using a deeper purple in the crease to further deepen that whole look. And then using a white concealer, I'm using this to cut my crease and create a nice clean base, making sure to blend it in with the shadow that's already there. I'm then grabbing a lime green eyeshadow, something similar to the skin tone we have going on, and then putting this over that concealer. I'm then grabbing the Kat Von D Alchemist palette in the shade Emerald and using this for an extra pop of shine right in the center of the lid, as well as on the inner corner and on the brow bone. I'm using a white eye pencil to put in the waterline, and then using a black liquid liner to give myself a wing liner on the top and then bringing it down on that inner corner to a point for a little bit more drama. I'm then going to throw on some mascara and pop on some lashes. You'll see right now that I decided to put on lashes on the top and bottom, but then at the very end of the look I ended up taking the bottom lashes off, so just do whichever one you prefer. I'm grabbing a dark green eyeshadow to contour with, so I'm going ahead and really chiseling out those cheekbones because Maleficent has pretty prominent cheekbones, so we really want to accentuate those. And then I'm also using it to contour my nose, as well as my collarbones, the sides of my neck, and the front of my neck as well. I'm using that same green highlighter from earlier and using this to highlight my cheekbones, to draw that forward a little bit. Also placing this on my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, and also on the tops of my collarbones. Next, I'm filling in my lips with a bright red liquid lipstick. I'm then going in with some black eyeshadow and further defining the cheekbones a little bit more, as well as the collarbone areas. And that's it, you guys. You are now Maleficent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said before, this is only look 3 out of 13 that we're doing this year, so be sure to subscribe and follow me on here to continue our spooky journey this season, as well as check me out on Instagram. I post a lot more content on there, so go take a look. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.